In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Hunter Call of the Wild black screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are getting a black screen when launching the Hunter Call of the Wild, this could be due to various reasons. In this video, I'm gonna showcase multiple solutions that might help you address this. So, the first thing that I would recommend is to update your graphics drivers. If you don't know if you have a dedicated GPU or you don't know the model of your graphics card, all that you have to do is right-click the Windows icon, go over to Device Manager, and in here you will be able to browse through all of the graphics adapters on your computer. So go to Display Adapters as you can see over here. Now, if you see something like Integrated Graphics, then what I would recommend is just to right-click it and then Update Driver. Let Windows search automatically for drivers and just wait for this process to finish. Now, if you have something from AMD or NVIDIA, then I would recommend going over to their websites instead, and in here you will be able to download the drivers. So on NVIDIA.com, click on Drivers at the top right, and then browse through all of the categories. Usually, if you have a gaming GPU from NVIDIA, it is going to be a GeForce card, RTX 40 series if it is modern, and then you can choose the specific model. Now, for AMD, it is essentially the same thing. You go to the AMD website, graphics, usually it's going to be RX 7000 series if it's the most modern one, and then you can pick your specific model. Once you have updated the drivers, restart your computer and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then update DirectX. You can find DirectX available on the official Microsoft website, so make sure to go to the official Microsoft page and download it here. This is simple to install, you just need to run this setup, so just click Next, Next, Next after you accept the agreement, and you will be able to get this done. For this video, I'm not going to complete it because I already have it installed. If it doesn't work, then the last thing that you can try is to disconnect from the internet, at least when opening the game. It seems like sometimes Hunter Call of the Wild has problems connecting to the internet and it gives users a black screen. So as a last resort, try disconnecting just to run the game, and then you can connect back again once you get in. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix the Hunter Call of the Wild black screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.